Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert dollars into pounds on PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and convert dollars into pounds on PayPal. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, there's multiple ways to go ahead about doing this. One way to do it is to click on Manage Money once you log on to PayPal, and then click on View Money. Now, once you reach this page here, you're going to find your USD. Simply click on Convert Currency, and then you need to change the two. So we're going to change this to pounds. So let's say euros or British pounds. And there you have it. Next, click on Next, and then simply just follow the on-screen prompts and it'll convert. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert dollars into pounds on PayPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.